The professor is chewing on chalk, a student is eating paint, and I'm adding glue to my tea. What's going on at this college? Learn how to sneak food into college classes in our new video. My friend never puts her phone down. Whoa! Did you get a new phone? These cameras are so unusual. Has Apple heard about this? Calm down, boys. This is just my bubblegum stash. Heat some bubblegum in a microwave just until it becomes soft. Knead it out. Sanitize your phone. Put the gum onto the camera and make an imprint. Cut out the imprint with a modeling tool. Add black food coloring to the extra gum. Shape a little flat circle to fit the camera. Define the hollows on the lens with a modeling tool. Fasten the gum cameras to the base. Make the rest of the pieces the same way. What are you going to do with that? Eat 3 whole cameras? You must really love iPhones. My gum is always with me. The professor isn't happy about it. Advanced math can't handle bubbles. Professor Scarlet loves candy. What a bummer! I ran out of my sweet medicine. Miss Scarlet, there's a surprise for you. Flowers and a gift from a loyal student. What's that? A bribe? I don't accept gifts. Oh! But these are sweet earrings with my favorite M&Ms. Put together a dangly earring out of accessory pieces. Attach M&M candies with edible glue. It looks like our professor likes the present. The earrings are in her ears and the candy is in her tummy. Our college has some new rules and a new guard with a super annoying whistle. No loud noises! No hugs! No photos on the windowsills! No phone conversations! This guy is too full of himself. It's time to take his whistle away from him. Microwave gum. Knead it up and add red food coloring. Shape a whistle. Make a hole for a fastening and put in a cord. Here's a new whistle for you. Let's see how it works. Programming class? I need a flash drive for my final project. Here, look in my pencil case. Cut a square out of mirror cardboard. Spray it with sanitizer. Put the cardboard into a rectangular piece of cheese. Cover the cheese with plastic wrap and colored paper. Write the size of the flash drive using a marker. weird flash drive. It just fell apart. And it's made out of cheese? Not bad. You can snack in class. Well, where's my delicious cheese? Oh no, my friend took the wrong flash drive. Did you really eat my yellow flash drive? Bye-bye, my mini lunch. If you get a cup of tea at the cafeteria, your friends will definitely drink half of it. How rude! But I have a secret tea-protecting product. I'll add glue to it. Pour honey into a clean glue bottle. Put in edible glitter. Stir it well. Believe it or not, no one wants to drink my tea now that it's full of glue. That's great, because no one suspects that it's actually honey. Time for art class. This student must be very hungry. She keeps a brush with paint in her mouth all the time. That has to stop. It's not healthy to eat paint. But I have some special cheese-flavored acrylic paint. Pour cheese sauce into a clean paint tube. Use a syringe to make it easier. Attach a printed label for yellow acrylic paint. Here, use this yellow shade in your painting. It's very delicious. You'll love it. Mmm, a cheese-flavored painting. A shower is a place where a legal trade is very popular. Psst, buddy, want to make your classes better? Buy one of my goods. I have a great selection and the freshest products. Hot glue an elastic ribbon to a towel. Shape organizer loops. Put in different candies. Wrap up the towel. Whoa! I want Snickers! Take something else. You get a discount on the second bar. Oh no! Someone's coming! Monsieur, would you fancy a cup of tea? I think I have a fever. Sometimes you see crazy things. Hang on. Nah, these are just regular students. Alex will be answering this question. Come on, genius, amaze us. Alex is ready. He needs chalk. Here it is on the professor's desk. Mix powdered sugar with 1 egg white. Beat it until it's stiff. Divide the mass into 4 parts. Roll it. Shape it like blackboard chalk. Cool it in a fridge and put it into a box. Oh no! You can't touch this chalk! It's from Miss Scarlett's personal collection! Put it back right now! You'll ruin my snack!
What?
Go back to your seat! And don't touch my sweet chalk anymore! Did you like our sweet ideas? Then comment below how you'd sneak food into college. Would you disguise cheese as a flash drive, make earrings out of candy, or attach chewing gum onto your phone? And don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. Subscribe to our channel and click on the bell so that you don't miss new sweet life hacks from Troom.